Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this using both sides and so simple using baby blanket, throw, Christmas blanket, or you can make it a present with that. It's so simple because using only single crochet, I think you should see. I think you saw this pattern, but I want to use it with Christmas colors. But you can make a lot of color combination with that pattern. I make this picot border on the right and the left side from start and the bottom using that brim part, and between of them using red and white color. You can change which you want. If you are a beginner, this pattern for you, you can do that easily, and you will proud of yourself. I made a blanket, my first project. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. I use middle thickness blanket yarns, and its size category is 3. I use 5mm hook. I give all the details again. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful Christmas baby blanket. Let's start to crochet. For this pattern we need multiples of 2. I use 60 chains, 60 stitch in that sample, but which size you want, which width you want, you can make your single crochets that centimeter, and it's nearly 40 centimeter, but you will be careful about that, multiples of 2. This side you will crochet which length you want. Okay, for baby blanket you need minimum 90 centimeter. For throws needs minimum 110 centimeters. I will show you a sample for that brim part. We will start with slip knot. And I want to remember something. I use middle thickness yarn. Their size category is 3, and I use 5mm hook. Which yarn you want, you can use. First of all, make a slip knot. Then make your chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Which width you want, you will make your chains. Be careful, multiples of 2. Then plus 1 for only rib part. Then turn back and make a single crochet in every each stitch. Insert into that stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2. Make a single crochet in every each stitch. Now I have totally 12 single crochet. Then chain 1 and turn. Count as my first stitch. Then I use for this blanket's rib parts only back loops. Grab my yarn, make a single crochet. You can see these loops. I use back loops. Insert here, grab my loop and pull through 2. Insert here, grab my yarn, pull through 2. Using only back loops. For it, I will repeat it 8 rows. This is your choice. You can make it more wider or more thinner. Okay, I complete after turn 2, and I will show you this pattern. I complete my rib part and I crocheted 6 centimeter. It's 2, 4, 6, 8 rows. Okay, now I will chain 1 and cut my yarn. I will take my other colors. Now I will take my red yarn, make a slip knot, and insert my hook from the first stitch here. not count that, chain 1 and insert into the same stitch and make 1 single crochet. Then insert into the next one and make 1 more. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one and make single crochet. Sorry, I didn't tell you. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next. Always you will make chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one and make a single crochet. I come to end and turn to you. I come to end, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the last stitch, join with a single crochet. Chain 1 and turn my work. Not count that chain 1 and insert into the same stitch and make a single. Then you can see here we have here chain 1 space. Insert that chain 1 space and make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip this stitch, come to chain 1 space and make a single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert the chain 1 space and make a single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert the chain 1 space, make a single. Again make single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1. Chain 1, skip 1, make single crochet in chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip 1, insert chain 1 space. Okay, you will keep crochet until come to the end. Always repeat that pattern, but I will show you changing the color. I complete this row and turn to you. I come to end, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the last stitch, grab my yarn and knot close. Take my second color. Close with my second color and not cut my red yarn. Chain 1 and turn my work. Not count it, insert into the same and make my single. Then here chain 1 space, you can see that. Insert chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip the stitch, come to chain 1 space, make a single. Chain 1, skip stitch, come to chain 1 space, make a single. Chain 1, skip this space, come to chain 1 space, make a single. Always chain 1, skip 1 and make your single crochet in the chain 1 space. You will keep repeating. I will repeat every color 2 rows. Which you want, you can keep crocheting like that. I will complete and grow it up a little after turn to you. I complete my sample blanket, chain 1 and cut my yarn. Both colors. Now I will put this rib part here. Take my green color again. Make a slip knot. Insert into my first stitch, join with a single crochet and make a single crochet in every each stitch. I come to end and turn to you. I complete and I have same stitch, chain 1 and turn my work. You know, count as my first single crochet, then use only back loops and make your singles as same as your the other side's rib part. You will keep repeat as same which how many rows you will repeat. You will repeat the same thing. I finished this side seam part. Now I put a border this side and I want to show you how did I do this border. First of all, make a slip knot, then insert my hook from first row's stitch, join with a single crochet. Then chain 3, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet, make a picot. Then this row insert and make a single, next row insert, make a single, next row insert, make a single, make 3 single crochet, come to 4th, make single, then chain 3, insert into the same and join with a single crochet and make a picot. You know all the rows single crochet, so we will make a single crochet in every each row. 1, 2, 3, 4th one make a single, then make picot, 3 chains, insert into the same, join with a single crochet, like that. I come to end and turn to you. I complete this side, come to the end, insert into that green part and join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut my yarn. Hide it. You can hide it with needle. That's it. I use Christmas colors, but you can use which color you want. You can make a lot of different combination with that pattern. It's so simple, only using single crochets. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.